As we can see in the Manage tab, all of our computers have the client successfully installed. So let's have a look at the default policies you get when you first install Policy Commander. By going to the Policy tab and clicking on All Policies, I get a flat list showing all the policies that are currently installed. The evaluation copy of Policy Commander comes with 12 sample policies. There are two ways you can import more policy content into Policy Commander. The first method is to import policies from the new Boundary Policy server. All I need to do is to go to Policies and select Import Policies from Policy Server. We now have access to 14 different categories of policies. I can choose if I want to import all of the policies at once, or maybe just one particular category such as the power management policies, or just a selection of the individual policies from that policy category. For this video, I'm going to import all of the power management policies. Now, because one of the policies I'm about to install already exists on my channel server, the software recognizes this and gives me the option to overwrite any conflicting policy files. Another option is to add a new policy under a different name. I'm going to tick the box for Select Take this action for all policies and overwrite any other identical policies. The power management policies have now been imported to the policy groups folder. You will notice that the imported folder contains the date and source location of the policy files. The policy groups folder is a location where you can organize your policies into a logical structure that makes sense to you. So I'm going to delete the folder Imported Policies and create a new folder called Power Management Policies and place all of my newly imported policies into that folder. To move policies to your newly created folder, highlight the files in the same manner as you would in Windows Explorer and drag and drop them to your new folder. The second method for obtaining more policy content is to import a policy from a file. To do this, go to Policies and then select Import Policy from File. Select the file or group of files you wish to import, then select Open. Your policies will now have been imported to the channel server. As you can see, the imported group shows that it's come from a local computer rather than the new Boundary Policy server.